Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am Merilinda Obarog.
Hello everyone, welcome
Before
to
we get started for today's video, I want to urge us to subscribe to this channel. In fact, make sure you share this video, comment on it, and like this video. And most importantly, hit the notification button so that whenever we post a new video, you will be among the first to be notified by YouTube. So let's dive into today's video. So today we are going to be learning about a tool called Zoom. So what is Zoom? What is the app called Zoom? Zoom is a video conference tool. You can use it for host meetings, you can use it for presentations. Let's say you work remotely, it's part of the tools you use to communicate with your co-workers or you use for meetings. It's more of a virtual meetings for a tool for virtual meetings, presentations. In fact, anything virtual, you can use this tool called Zoom. So, for instance, your client doesn't stay in the same location with you, and just like the way those that work physically in an office have their meetings in a physical gathering, in this aspect, if you're a remote worker, you're likely to have your meeting via a video conference to example like Zoom that we're talking about. Or there are other types as well, but today we are focusing on Zoom. So that is what Zoom essentially does for you. Even if you are holding a training, you train people online, it's also a tool that you can use. So let's move directly into it. So today we are going to learn how to create a meeting on Zoom, or the mobile version. Okay. First of all, you go to Play Store and download the app Zoom. So this is the app. Let me show you guys the app. So this is it. Coming please. So this is the app. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Zoom. So you just go to Play Store, search for Zoom, download it, and make sure you have it in your mobile device. So let's click on Zoom. Now, let's learn how we can create a meeting. Let's say you are required to create a meeting. Let us see how it goes. If I want to create a meeting, all I need to do is click on New Meeting, Videos on. If I want my videos to be on, I turn it on, then click on Start a Meeting. Start a meeting. If I don't want it on, if I don't want my video on, I'll just turn it off. Okay, so that's just basically. So I have started this meeting. Now I want to explain all these icons to us. This is Wi-Fi. You could either when you join, please make sure you click on Wi-Fi or cellular data so that it can
okay. So
use
let's look at
your data. The icons here. So the first icon there is the mute or unmute icon. You can see it there. So what that icon means is that if let's say I'm in a meeting or there's a noise in my background, let's say it's not my turn to speak in the meeting, there's a noise in the background or I have keys that are running around, so I could just click on it, and once there's a red strike on it, it means I am muted. So people cannot hear my noise or hear whatever I speak. But whenever you want to speak again, please remember to unmute yourself. So that is what the mute button does. You can see it circled. That is the what the mute icon does. Now the second icon beside it is the video icon. Start the video. Let's say I'm in a meeting, I don't want them to see my face, I'm not required to turn on my video. I could just click on it, and once the red strike on it appears, it means my video is turned off. Now the next one is participants. You could see that what that means is that when you click there, you could see number of persons that are in the same meeting with you at the same time, and you could also be able to copy, invite someone through there. Then the next one is the chat icon. It means you could chat with other persons in the meeting with you. Then the reaction icon means you could send reactions like emojis and all of that. Then the share button means you could share your screen so that others can be able to see your screen. The record button means you could record this meeting and watch it later or something like that. So That's basically what it means. So this is how you can invite someone. You can invite someone by going to the participant, under the participant icon. Click on it. You're going to see all the persons that are in a meeting with you. Then click on invite. You could either invite via email or you copy the link and send to someone else. So that is just basically what this is. What this explains to us in a nutshell. So it gives you the avenue to have this virtual meeting with others regardless of their location. Zoom is a very good tool for this. Even if you are teaching, even if you're a teacher, you could use this to teach your students across the world and all of that. So that is one of the good things about Zoom. So in the next class, we are going to be looking at how to how to join a meeting. Thank you guys for watching today. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you.